how to put money in Starling Bank. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can put money in Starling Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to put money on Starling Bank, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Starling Bank application here. And once you launch a Starling Bank app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you want to tap the Get Started option. There are numerous ways to put and deposit money to Starling Bank, but first of all, you need to make sure to log into your mobile banking account. So just go ahead and then tap the Login as a returning customer option. Then once you have done that, you will be able to go ahead and then enter your mobile number, tap the Continue option to go ahead and then log in. And once you log in, there you'll find the option to deposit money and so on. This way you'll be able to put money on Starling Bank. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.